If you are using GA4 in your business and you're feeling a little stuck, maybe your confidence isn't where it was when you were using the previous versions, Universal Analytics, maybe you are struggling to keep up with all of the feature updates, and let's be honest, there's rather a lot these days. Maybe you're also trying to understand if your data collection could be better, that you could have more opportunities and do more with that data. Well, I've joined the Test and Learn community as an instructor, and I have a GA4 course that I think is going to be right up your street. This course is perfect for anybody, whether you are a beginner just starting your GA4 journey, or you're a more seasoned user that's just trying to get more out of this program. This course is going to be covered over a 3-week period. And in the first week, we're going to focus all about the data model. So we're going to dive into events and user properties. I'm going to help you understand a process that I call event mapping. So you can understand what events you've currently got, and then how to identify any additional events that could be some blind spots that you might need for your measurement. In week 2, we're going to dive into the admin side of things. So this is going to focus on the collection and configuration from a GA4 property point of view. We'll cover some common mistakes and how to fix them. We'll also dive into audiences, which, if you've seen any of my talks before, I think they're amazing and I think more people should be using them. So we're going to talk about them. We'll also cover how GA4 groups your marketing, because it's a little bit different than the way that it worked in Universal Analytics. In our 3rd week, we're going to focus all about reporting. So this is about navigating the standard interface where you're looking at all of those lifecycle reports and the library. We'll have a look at Explore, where you can really create some rather interesting reports that can give you some real insights into how people are working through your website and what people are doing. And we'll also look at Looker, because some people don't actually like logging into GA4. They'd much rather do it somewhere else. So we'll cover that as well. Now, during the program, you'll have access to the lessons, you'll have access to the videos, any resources that we cover. There's also a Slack channel in the Test and Learn community with your other cohort members and myself. Now, at the end of this period, what I really want you to get out of this is an increase in your knowledge and confidence and a solid, actionable measurement plan so that you can get the most out of this tool. Now, if this sounds something that you would be interested in, have a look at the link provided. If you have any questions, then by all means, ask me a question directly by DMing me on LinkedIn. You can find me on my website and send me a question through there. Or if you're in the Test and Learn community, just drop me a note on Slack. I really hope to see you in the next cohort. Bye for now.